Alright, so this is the prep work for an Axis 360 corner mount setup before we ever even got up on the boom lift. Well, I'd already been up on it because I drove it to where it needed to be. This whole setup is actually made up of a few different parts. Well, I mean 4 parts to be exact, but you've got the camera itself, the pendant/dome kit, the wall arm, and then the actual corner bracket that everything mounts to. I started putting together the corner bracket and the wall arm assembly. One thing with these kits, keep track of all the hardware because there's a lot of little pieces that are easy to lose on a job site. Your pockets just end up full of little bags full of screws or different things. I mounted the wall arm plate to the corner bracket first, and one thing you have to pay attention to is which direction that the conduit connection is facing, depending on where your junction box or your flex conduit is coming from on the building. At this stage, you can also install your conduit or flex connector onto the wall arm itself before everything goes up and goes together. I think I forgot to do that here. Or honestly, I would have done it, but the parts were on the lift already. I also tried to show the little black plug that comes with the wall arm that's there to seal unused openings and help keep water and bugs out of the arm. After that, I moved on to the pendant kit and camera assembly. The pendant threads on to the wall arm and has a set screw that locks everything into place once it's tightened down. This particular camera is a PTRZ model, pan, tilt, roll, zoom, so it folds open, which makes final adjustment and aiming way easier once it's finally mounted up in the air. It folds open itself, but you don't actually open it up and get to the lenses like on other cameras, if that makes sense. Before closing everything up, I fed a pre-made 7-foot patch cable through the arm, so once we got up on the lift, all we had to do was feed it through the flex and plug it into the keystone biscuit connection at the box nearby. Once the camera was mounted to the pendant and the set screws were tightened down, the lid snaps into place and the whole assembly is basically ready to go up on the building. Doing all this prep work at the van made the actual install in the boom lift take less than 10 minutes.